Opportunities like this are incredibly rare. In the past 20 years, fewer than 2 waterfront properties have sold annually in the coveted South of Broad neighborhood. Every home has a story, and 14.5 Murray Boulevard is no exception. Originally built in 1920, this property began its life as Mrs. Wilkinson's preschool and kindergarten, born out of necessity when her husband returned from World War I with what now we call PTSD. To support her family, Mrs. Wilkinson created a small school that became a cornerstone of Charleston Peninsula, serving students like the beloved Mayor Joe Riley. Oh, if these walls could talk. Through the decades, the property evolved. In 1960, a second story was added to the front. In 1986, the back section and second floor were expanded, and by 2006, it had undergone extensive remodeling. Then, in 2016, the current owners enlisted renowned architect Bill Huey and Renew Urban Contractors to completely reimagine the space. They meticulously took the home down to the studs, excavated under the house, reinforced the foundation, poured concrete, and installed a modern crawl space with a sump pump, dehumidifiers, and a city-connected drainage system, ensuring the long-term structural integrity. Inside, this luxurious home features old-growth heart pine floors on the main level, Venetian plaster walls crafted by master craftsmen and artisans, a sleek gourmet kitchen with cymatic cabinets, a marble waterfall island, and high-end appliances. The backyard, designed by renowned landscape architect Glenn Gardner, boasts a classic Charleston garden, complete with a fountain made from an authentic watering pump that was once used for peninsula area working horses. Additional features include a standing seam copper roof, flashing and gutters, mahogany exterior doors, serene gardens, a brick patio, bluestone terraces, and an epay deck off the primary suite. The attention to detail is evident, from the lush foliage to the gorgeous landscape lighting throughout. This home is not just a rare find, it's an extraordinary experience waiting to be discovered. Hi, I'm Bambi Elstrom with eXp Luxury Realty. Thank you for watching. Call for a private showing of this truly one-of-a-kind property. Bye for now.